Hello and welcome. Happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrate. I will be headed to my family's house shortly, but I wanted to do another Galaxy open cup pour for my Galaxy series here on YouTube. Today I'm working on a 20 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Michaels. I poured down the Mars Black base and I am just blending in some of the Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex. I didn't have quite enough of the Mars Black, which was left over from yesterday's Galaxy pour. So blending in this purple really helped stretch the Mars Black as my base, and you'll see in the end just how perfect it is. But that's it. I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting and I will talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. Now, a couple things I would have changed if I had more paint. So in this area here, sort of like halfway through this green section and this mixed area here, I would have scraped that off and added more of the black and the purple and like some of the accents up there. That's the only thing that I would change about this painting. Other than that, the colors are perfect. The blue is like a custom metallic blue, so there's gonna be shimmer there. There is shimmer because of the silver. I love how this looks like cosmic-y in the midnight sky. But overall, I love that I added the purple to the base. This is really my favorite part. This whole area up here. It's so pretty. But I won't show you the dry results in this video, but let me show you the dry results of yesterday's Galaxy pour. Okay, I'm gonna do this quickly because we are getting some flurries today. But here is the dry results of yesterday's Galaxy pour. It dried perfectly, and as you can see, that metallic blue or that iridescent blue black, that's the color that I use in this one. It's going to be shimmery there right in the center. Here it is. Thank you for watching.